$100. That's it. That's all you need to start building real wealth in the stock market. Not $1,000, not $10,000, $100. Most people think investing is for rich people. It's not. In fact, the people who wait until they have enough money to invest are the ones who stay broke. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to invest your first $100 step by step, even if you've never bought a single stock in your life. Here's what we're covering today: where to actually put your money, what to buy with $100, the one mistake beginners almost always make, and how to turn that $100 into a habit that builds serious wealth over time. Let's get into it. Before you buy anything, you need somewhere to put your money. You want a brokerage account. Think of it like a bank account, but for investments. The best options for beginners right now are Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood. All three are free to open, have zero account minimums, and let you buy stocks with no trading fees. I'd recommend Fidelity if you're serious about long-term investing. It's the most trusted name in the business. Robinhood if you want the simplest app experience. Opening an account takes about 10 minutes. You'll need your social security number and a bank account to link. That's it. Do this today. I know, you want to buy Apple, or Nvidia, or whatever stock is in the news right now, and maybe one day you will. But with $100, picking individual stocks is the wrong move. Here's why. When you buy one stock, you're betting everything on one company. If that company has a bad quarter, loses a CEO, or gets hit with a lawsuit, your money takes the hit. Instead, buy an ETF. That stands for Exchange Traded Fund. An ETF lets you buy a tiny piece of hundreds or thousands of companies all at once for the price of a single share. The one I'd tell every beginner to start with is VOO. It tracks the S&P 500, the 500 biggest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, you get all of them in one purchase. Historically, the S&P 500 returns about 10% per year on average. Your $100 is instantly diversified across the entire U.S. economy. One share of VOO costs around $500. But here's the thing. All three brokerages I mentioned let you buy fractional shares. So with $100, you can buy a fraction of VOO and get started right now. This is the step most beginners skip, and it's the most important one. Investing $100 once is fine. But investing $100 every single month automatically, without thinking about it, that's how you actually build wealth. This is called dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, buying when prices are low and selling when they're high, which nobody can do consistently, you just buy the same amount every month, no matter what the market is doing. Some months you'll buy when prices are high. Some months you'll buy when they're low. Over time, it averages out, and the research is clear. This strategy beats trying to time the market for 95% of investors. Go into your brokerage account and set up automatic monthly contributions, even $50 a month, $100 if you can. Make it automatic so you never have to think about it. This is where most beginners lose money. Not from buying the wrong stock, from panic selling when the market drops, and the market will drop. It drops every single year. In fact, the average year sees a pullback of about 14% at some point. That's normal. That's healthy. Every single one of those drops in history has eventually recovered and gone on to new highs. When your portfolio goes from $100 down to $80, your brain is going to tell you to sell before it gets worse. Do not listen to that voice. That voice has cost ordinary investors trillions of dollars over the decades. Warren Buffett, the most successful investor in history, has one rule he follows above everything else. He says, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Be patient. Leave it alone. Check it quarterly, not daily. So, let's recap. 4 steps to investing your first $100. 1. Open a brokerage account today. Fidelity, Schwab, or Robinhood. Free, takes 10 minutes. 2. Buy VOO. Don't overthink it. You're buying a piece of the entire U.S. economy. 3. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Make it a habit, not a decision. 4. Leave it alone. Time in the market beats timing the market. Every time. Here's the real talk. $100 isn't going to make you rich overnight, but the habit of investing, that will. The people who start early, stay consistent, and don't panic sell are the ones who retire with real money. You're starting today. That already puts you ahead of most people. If you found this helpful, subscribe. We post new videos every week breaking down investing, crypto, personal finance, and how to actually build wealth without needing a finance degree. Hit the like button if this was useful, and drop a comment below telling me, are you investing yet? Or is today your day one? I'll see you in the next one.